Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. In today's video you will tell people how you can earn money online with fewer views on YouTube. Yes. So friends, I will tell you with absolute guarantee. Just for this you must watch the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button and like this video and share this video with your friends as much as you can so that my people can benefit from this video. Thank you so much. So let's start the video. So friends, if you guys upload videos on YouTube channel and your videos get more views but the earning are very less, then you have to remember my few words. If you guys will follow even one of these things, then very soon the earning of your videos will increase much more than before, because I have also tried it. Now same of my videos are earning dual. So friends, the first thing is that you have to make paid videos with high RPM and CPM. How can you know that? I will tell you a few topics whose CPMs and RPMs are very high. Other than that, you can also search from YouTube and see many topics which have high RPM and CPM. You can make videos in these topics. Their RPM and CPM is very high. For example, online earning courses, freelancing courses, digital marketing courses, affiliate marketing courses, finance, Binance, online training courses, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, Bitcoin. So friends, if you want less views and more earning, then you can make videos in English and you can target America. It also has a lot of earning. So friends, if you don't know English, you can make many English videos with the help of Google Translate, because I also make English videos with the help of Google Translate. If you guys don't know how to make English videos with Google Translate, then comment me. I will make a separate videos for this and it. I will tell you the whole method, and also you guys check the RPM and CPM of your videos. Make videos like the video with high RPM and CPM and use the keywords of the video. Then the earning will be more, will be. So excuse me, the video is too long. That's enough the videos. If you guys like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz will take care of you.